love it. I totally enjoy it. I completely enjoy it. The robots save us a lot of work.
Okay.
I do all of the computer work. So you're right. Everybody holds it together. So I can take the information from the robots and translate it into which one of my cows is healthy and which one of my cows is sick. I can also translate that into which one of my cows is in heat and needs to be inseminated. It's all on the chart in the computer. It works really well. So as a group, Mario understands the robots and how the robots function, and I do all of the computer work. So when our cows are pregnant, then I put that up in the computer. It all relates together. When the cows get milked, and if they drop in milk, they're one either sick or in heat. So the program works great. Like I can keep on track of my cows. Like if they're gonna be sick, I know within 24 hours because it's 24 hours behind. It'll milk for a day and then I'll get those results in 24 hours. So there's no chance that my cow can spend 5 days being sick because I can track it in the first 24 hours.
Wow.
Awesome,
Very
awesome.
good.
Yeah.
And in comparison with the Leos just before, do you see an improvement in terms of milk production?
We've probably changed about 15 or 20 cows since we've got the different robots, so it's hard to say exactly per cows. Like par troupeau, it's hard to say what the difference is. But these ones, they milk faster, they milk more efficiently, and because of the connection on the robot, I can actually look to see like my mean time, my dead time for every cow. It's all individualized. So if there's one cow that takes 15-20 minutes to milk, those are the ones that I tend not to keep because it slows down the whole production of the day. But everything is clearly indicated according after it gets milked. Everything's transferred to the computer, which makes it user friendly. Because there's so many cows here. There's like over 120 that we milk, so I don't visually have the time to go to each cow every day. But I can sit in front of the computer for 10-15 minutes and find out which ones are getting sick.
Before even going into the barn, you kind of have a feeling of what's going on.
Exactly. Exactly. It gives me my average per day. So since we've gotten the new robots, because I believe they milk more efficiently, our herd average is going up. So like, let's just say we started at 28, but you get milked better and better and better all the time. So now we're at 31.7. So we did a transition because it was a different program than what we were used to. I had two people that I could really count on. I had GJ Yelle and I had Jennifer. This program was completely new to me. I didn't know anything about it, but any questions I had, they adapted the program to what suited my needs. So I needed certain things for my vet follow-up, and with less than a week I had my programs up and running with all the information that I needed thanks to these guys here. They prepared it for me. So like for that I cannot complain at all. It's great service. Once you figure the program out, you can keep track of every cow you have in your barn without even looking at them. Like for me, that's beneficial.